9B. I am Samrut Gowda of 9th A. Firstly, I like to wish everyone a 77th Happy Republic Day. Every nation is represented by symbols that express its history, culture, and pride. And India also has its own national symbols which reflects its rich heritage. We are here to give some information about national symbols. National flag, Tiranga. The tricolor represents courage, peace, and growth with the Ashoka Chakra symbolizing law and justice. It inspires unity, pride, and respect among all Indians. National emblem, lion capital of Ashoka. The four lions symbolize power, courage, and national pride. It reflects India's rich heritage and respect for law and leadership. National anthem, Jana Gana Mana, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It reflects India's diversity and unity. Singing it evokes patriotism and pride in the nation. National song Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It glorifies the motherland, it inspires love, devotion, and dedication to India. National animal Bengal tiger. It represents strength, courage, and India's wildlife richness. It reminds us to protect and respect nature. National bird peacock. The people stand for beauty, grace, and elegance. It reflects India's cultural and artistic heritage. National flower, lotus. The lotus grows pure in muddy water, symbolizing purity and resilience. It also symbolizes inner strength and spiritual enlightenment. National fruit, mango. Celebrated as the king of fruits, it symbolizes richness and sweetness. It reflects prosperity and cultural significance in India. National tree, banyan tree. With long life and spreading roots, it symbolizes unity and stability. It also represents support, strength, and India's cultural continuity. National river Ganga. The holy river sustains millions and represents purity and life. It reminds us to conserve nature and cherish our natural heritage. National aquatic animal Ganga river dolphin. It reflects India's unique aquatic biodiversity and clean rivers. Its protection shows the importance of environmental conservation. National currency rupee. It represents India's currency, economic strength, and global recognition. It reflects growth, trade, and financial identity of the nation. National calendar Shaka calendar. Used officially, it reflects India's scientific and cultural traditions. It ensures uniformity in official records and celebrations. National heritage animal, elephant. It is a symbol of wisdom, strength, and cultural heritage in India. It represents the country's rich wildlife and plays an important role in Indian tradition and history. National reptile, king cobra. Powerful and alert king cobra symbolizes strength and vigilance. It reminds us to respect and protect wildlife. National vegetable, pumpkin. It is widely grown and used in India's cuisine. It represents nutrition and the richness of Indian agriculture. National game, hockey. Though it is not officially announced, hockey is considered widely as our national game, symbolizing teamwork, skill, and Indians' excellence in sports. The game inspires pride and reflects the country's rich sporting heritage. India is a land of vast unity and diversity. So I request everyone to stand up and stretch your right hand forward and take a pledge.
Country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all my elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and to my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperities alone lies my happiness.
Vande Mataram.